So, hi everyone, my name is Julia, and I'm going to explain to you how Goin Connect works, and first of all, what it is. So, basically, Goin Connect is a new service that we provide as a university. It's basically a social media app that lets you connect with other international students and let you build a network even before arriving on our campuses. So basically, is through Going Connect, you can connect with other students from your country or other countries, find students in your same program, discover people with shared interests, look for housing or roommates, and start building friendship before arrivals. Now, a very important thing about Goin is that only students that have been already admitted can join the service, and you can start to register your profile through a link that would be sent via email or through the invitation letters. Now, how do you register on Going? So this is a very brief guide on how to create your own profile. So first of all, once you receive this link from email or your admission letter, you click on it and then you type what type, sorry, of student you are, if you are new to the university, if you're already a student here, etc. Then you can follow all the steps that this page requires you to continue to continue the register process. So you can select an email address that you will eventually use for all the things in your profile. Then okay, so you set a password for creating a new account. And then eventually you'll check your inbox to see another link that will eventually send you to all the process to create your profile. Okay, so after you download the app, you have to insert all your information, your full name, your date of birth, gender, nationality, and something interesting about you. And then you can actually start to use the app. These are all the things that you can basically do. You have a menu here. Connect is basically where you can search and find people to chat with. Then you have the discovery page where you can check up on upcoming events, practical information, official university announcements, and other stuff. Then with chat, as the name implies, you can chat with people and keep in touch with your friends. Then with groups, you have like you can find groups of people with oh, okay, perfect, with that have passions similar to yours, and then you have the profile section where you basically find all your information. Here is the link to join the community, and we'll see ongoing.